Ayo, what's up my dudes? Today we're making two things, a canvas and obviously we're going to paint it. The materials are also going to be listed in the description. Firstly, to make a canvas, make sure the canvas sheet or any sheet in general is greater than the size of the cardboard. Fold around the corners to make creases and then cut diagonally at each corner so it's easy to tape it down. Then tape and snip the extra bit. Let's start painting. I'm using this reference picture of my own. Here's a bonus, a mini easel. Yeah, but I'm not gonna use it, but I'll use it stand my reference device. Tape peeling is satisfying, right? No? Yes, the tiny white things are little boats. Boom, we're done. Bye.